Hi guys, I'm Swati Patel and welcome back to my channel. So as the title says, this video is about styling our good old denim jeans in winter. This is my first fashion video here on YouTube, so let's see how everything rolls. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off with the first outfit. This is an outfit I have been wearing a lot recently. I am wearing this cropped white knit sweater from Bershka. I love the texture of this sweater and the thick knit pattern going all around the top. These jeans are from Zara. I love the light wash denim jeans and the fit of these is slightly snug from the top and relaxed from the bottom. And these jeans are such good quality. I'm wearing a gold charm bracelet from H&M here. For footwear, I went with these white boots which are very comfortable and snug from the ankles, so my denim can easily flow over the boots, and heels give you the height you need when wearing these long and sort of loose jeans. For jacket, I am wearing this tweed checkered thick shirt jacket from Mango. It has raw edges all around the hem and the sleeves, which adds a bit of a character to the jacket. Texture of this is very nice and it gives you the warmth you need. You can go ahead and add another layer of coat if you live in very cold regions. My second outfit is kind of a bold one, at least for me. For top, I am wearing this bold red colored jumper which is thrifted and its material is very thick and warm. I am wearing these black mom jeans from Bershka and they are a size up from what I usually wear for a more relaxed fit. For my second layer, I added this brown leather jacket from Zara. It has a belt with it and it gives more of a leather shirt dress look. Since my denim is of very relaxed fit, I went ahead with these black boots from Steve Madden. They are very versatile and pointed from the front, which gives an illusion of longer legs, which is needed when wearing such type of loose denim jeans. I love the way red, brown and black has come together in a cohesive way. I went ahead and added this black beanie to balance the black at the bottom, and it anyways is windy most of the time here in Seattle winters, so a beanie is a must. For outfit number 3, I wore the same denim as in outfit 1 and paired it with black turtleneck sweater. This sweater is from Zara. I layered 2 gold necklaces for my jewelry and then went ahead and added a gold bracelet with diamond details to finish off. Then I added this tan colored coat to create this classic date night look and chose to wear black strappy sandals to complete the look. These heels are very low in height, so it is very comfortable if you want to walk around in them. This coat is from Zara men's section, so it gives a bit of a more structure to the whole outfit. These colors are truly very gorgeous and they look so good together. I love the simplicity of this outfit and this is really a basic fail-proof combination for any night or day. For outfit 4, I wore same black turtleneck sweater from earlier and tied my hair up in pony because there is going to be much layering happening in this outfit. I went ahead and added 2 gold bracelets for some detail and then wore a white V-neck cropped sweater from Urban Outfitters and wore a white skinny jeans with it. I know I look like fencers here, but just wait until you see the whole outfit. As I said, this look is for very cold days, so I added a Michael Kors muffler to protect my neck and chest from the cold. Then I wore this super heavy coat from H&M and tied my belt to cinch in my waist and give my body some definition. For my footwear, I chose to wear the same white booties from before to continue the white color from the jeans and give some height to the look. I know this looks a bit bulky, but it is super practical for cold days, but you can always subtract layers if you want. I love how minimal it looks and at the same time it is very complicated on the inside and it protects you from the cold, which is the goal, right? This last outfit is kind of colorful and sporty. I wore this colorful cropped sweater and paired it with dark wash skinny jeans and both top and bottom are from H&M. I pinned back my hair a bit with bobby pins for this look. For my second layer, I added this corduroy shirt from Zara and added a crop faux fur jacket on top of it. The corduroy shirt was added to give some length variations to the outfit and break the colors between fur jacket and sweater. And the crop sweater and the jacket are almost kind of same height, so the shirt breaks the length between two of them. I hope you understand what I'm saying. For my shoes, I wore these black sneakers which are very comfortable and perfect to run errands in and gives this look a sporty fun touch to it. To complete this look, I added this black sling bag because I was actually going out to run some errands and do some grocery shopping. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys got any inspiration to style your denim jeans. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite look and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.